My name is Mojabeng Ndebele. I am 29 years old and I am from the beautiful mountain kingdom of Lesotho. I am 5 years married to my best friend, no kids yet, but by profession I am a senior development officer working with an international organization to provide high quality healthcare to the communities that are in the most remote areas of our beautiful mountain kingdom. My passion for healthcare, paired with my experience having suffered from depression and living with anxiety, has led me to be an instrumental mental health advocate. I have designed a curriculum that educates children and their caregivers on mental health awareness because I believe that as a community, because healing happens within us, we have to create environments that are conducive for healing. I believe that the essence of an African woman is to fight. For centuries, women had to fight for their rights. They had to fight for their voices to really be considered or heard. And for decades, we've been fighting for a seat at the table. And now that we have those seats, we have to fight to keep them. And in this generation that I'm so proud of, a generation where women are creating their own tables and setting up their own positions of power, we have to fight against the limitations that are being set for us to execute our power. We have to fight against the bearing of being pitted against one another. So what is the essence of an African woman? It is to fight.